Let's unbox the new Sound Devices A20-Nexus Go. I'm going to be taking you through this upgrade step by step over multiple videos, so make sure to like, follow, and push all the other buttons. Now let's get into it. Opening the box reveals a protective layer of cardboard which elegantly folds away to reveal two A20 Monarch antennas. These antennas are made specifically for the A20 spectrum band range of 470 MHz to 1525 MHz. Moving to the next layer, we have a thank you note, and there it is, the Nexus Go, all wrapped up and ready to be opened. As soon as we get through the accessories, to do this, flip the box, cut through the tape, slide out the flaps, and open. Inside, we find two sets of antenna cable, BNC for the Monarchs and SMA for Nextlink. This pouch contains two Nextlink antennas, some rubber pads, and a set of Allen wrenches. Pulling out the first set of boxes, we find a pair of clamps, which can be used to mount the antennas to a sound bag. There's also a USB-C cable for pairing transmitters. The two additional boxes contain small articulating arms which can be used to position antennas. And of course, some stickers. Now it's time for the main event. Most of the larger Sound Devices products come packaged like this. Unfolding the side flaps unlocks the top and bottom flaps, and unfolding those releases a plastic film which was holding the device in place. And now it's time to reveal the A20-Nexus Go. I'll just let it speak for itself. There's a lot more I can talk about, and I'll be sharing my experience as I get acquainted with the Nexus Go system. I'm using a new camera and workbench that will stay rigged up at all times so I can record every step of this process. So far, I'm really excited with how things are looking. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to share more of this exciting journey.